Okay, so you got yourself the iPhone 10 and you realize it's a fragile, fragile beast and you need to protect it. How do you go about doing that? Well, cases are great, but what about the screen itself? Well, everybody knows. Oh, a screen protector. Today I have for you the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. This thing is quite serious. It comes with UV lights and everything else. It's got its own little tray and it's a magical thing. This is a sponsored video in which they sent this thing over to me and asked me to put one on my phone and tell you guys what I thought about it. I will say that I've seen the Whitestone dome glass protectors. I've been really intrigued and impressed by the whole thing. So I'm excited to try it out here today, putting it on my iPhone, and we'll just see how it goes. Okay, so once you get the thing out of the package, you'll find first one of these guys, which I've already set up. This is a Sun Mini UV LED nail lamp, USB powered, has a little power button. So that's what you use at the end of the process to cure everything. You'll get your instructions here. Pretty clear, easy to follow. It has some contingencies if you find yourself needing them. Then you'll have a packet here of alcohol wipes, dust removal stickers, this little tab that sticks into the thing when you're done, and 2 cotton pads that are made to soak up excess adhesive. This right here is your screen protector itself. In here we have 2 vials of adhesive to use. One is a contingency just in case. Then we have this little bridge that slots over the top. You put the vial in, you open it up, squirts out. And we have here 2 little stickers that are meant to protect your phone's earpiece. So I'll get one of those out right now. So the first thing you do, you just lay your phone in there. And I'm going to go ahead and break out one of the alcohol swabs. You get 3 of these little wiping cloths. I'm going to go ahead and clean as best I can. Now, I do have a few scratches on my screen, and one thing that I'm excited about is one of the claims that Whitestone makes is that it will fill in imperfections and scratches on the screen. So I have one right here. I have a good old nick and some scratches along this edge and a nice scratch right there. And some hairline, just very fine scratches in the middle of the device. So that looks like it's good and clean. Now I'm going to take this and just peel off the little backing and stick it right there over your speaker. I'm making sure that everything is still nice and cleaned off. Now you want to take the top of the tray and drop it into place. So now, the phone is secure in here. It ain't going nowhere. I'm going to take one of the dust removal stickers and just do what I can to get any fine particles off of here without putting any fingerprints on. That looks pretty clean. So now what you're supposed to do is take this tab and stick it in. Once you've done that, you take the bridge and you stick it in place. Step 4, take off the yellow cap and just kind of drops right into the bridge there. And in order to release the adhesive, you just unscrew this black cap. Now the first thing I'm going to do, because I want to be sure that I'm ready to get this thing on when the time comes, I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the package. We have a backing to pull off here. You know, and you can tell the back because it has 3 little dots that are just slightly raised dots that are on the portion of the screen protector that's supposed to adhere to the phone. So I'm going to just put this guy to the side here. I'm going to unscrew this black cap and you'll see the liquid just kind of rolls out. Now they say give it 30 seconds or so to make sure that all the stuff, all the adhesive is out. My table is not 100% flat, so I am doing what I can to keep this stuff sort of centered while everything is coming out of the vial. Now that we've done that, I'll move this to the side and I'll remove the back here, and I'm just gonna get that back in there, get it under there and get it going. So now you see that it's starting to fill its way, and that this is made to tilt so that you can get the liquid flowing this way, so that it goes all the way to the bottom. Now I do have some air bubbles that I want to get out. This is a little bit more of a forgiving process, I found, than other screen protectors. So I'm just going to squeeze it down there. I don't like air bubbles, so I'm doing my best to get the air bubbles out. Doing my best to get this spread under there so it doesn't. So I'm going to lift it up a little bit and I'm just going to push to try and get it evened out as much as I can. Looks like I've gotten the majority of the air bubbles chased out of there. Once you do that, you kind of just have to take this guy and you cure for 15 seconds at the top. Say that's about 15 seconds, and then do the same thing at the bottom. And that will start to cure the adhesive. So once you're done with that, it says to go ahead and remove the sticker, which just removed itself. Clean off here. And I remove the absorption pads. It's easier said than done. Okay. One pad out, another pad out. Wipe down the top of the phone again. There's some adhesive on there, but it will come off with some elbow grease. But at this point, you want to cure it again. Now, you use this sun lamp, and it's on a 60-second timer, so you want to do 60 seconds on the top and on the bottom. All right, once that's done, you can lift the phone out and start to clean. Cleaning around all the sides, making sure I got all the excess glue, adhesive, whatever, out of there. Get the last of my wipes. Start wiping. Takes a little time to get all the adhesive off. Once you do, now it's on there. And honestly, this curing process does a very nice job of making it so that this thing is well stuck to the phone, and in most cases somewhat invisible. So we'll turn it on here. Takes a little bit to get the excess glue cleaned off, but and there you go. And as you can see, there's no real sharp edges anywhere, and it's just impossible almost, unless you're really looking, to see the edges of the protector. So there we have it, the Whitestone dome glass for the iPhone X. The entire installation process, it's relatively easy as long as you follow the directions, and the result is really, really good. I'm really kind of impressed with how well it adheres. So I will warn you that the glue smell does get to you after a while, but this seems like a good product. A lot of the screen protectors that I've used in the past have been very obviously on there. So I'll put links to where you can grab these things and use them for yourself. They make them for all kinds of cell phones, not just the iPhone X. But the iPhone X is, of course, their newest product, I believe. So thanks so much for watching. My name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This has been Painfully Honest Tech, the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone X. Full installation, warts and all. Until the next time, my name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. I'm out.